Cast a band of light in dark outdoor areas with the OLF two-headed outdoor floodlight with motion sensor from Lithonia Lighting by Acuity Brands. These affordable integrated lighting solutions provide years of maintenance-free general and security illumination on your patio, yard, driveway, loading area, or warehouse.
This high-powered LED floodlight provides roughly the same light output as two 60-watt par lamps, while saving over 80% in energy costs. And with a rugged cast aluminum housing, they're built to withstand nature. When installing, be sure to tighten all adjustments, caulk where the fixture meets the wall, and aim the LED heads away from the fixture. The heads are tool-free adjustable, so you can just point them where you need them.
The motion sensor turns the lights on when it detects motion. The detection range is 180 degrees and up to 70 feet away. And the optional lamp head visors help keep the light in your yard and not your neighbor's windows.
The LEDs in these floodlights produce a crisp white light and are rated to last up to 50,000 hours, drastically reducing your costs and time to change out light bulbs.
Did you know they are available in both bronze and white to match most buildings? Wherever you need light, the OLF two-headed outdoor floodlight with motion sensor from Lithonia Lighting by Acuity Brands has you covered.